All right, trick number 3 coming at you. Say you just got done eating a very nice, beautiful Thanksgiving dinner, and your Uncle Bob says, "Hey, Mr. Magic, could you show me a magic trick?" Well, yeah, of course, Uncle Bob, I'll show you a magic trick. All right. Everybody usually has salt and pepper on the table. You can always get a very nice napkin, and then you ask Uncle Bob for a quarter, all right? Now you ask Uncle Bob, would you like to see this trick heads up or tails up?
I'd like to see it tails up.
Okay, I'm going to show you, Uncle Bob, tails up. Place the tails up right like this, all right? Now we're going to take, it doesn't matter, the salt or pepper. I'm going to place it right on top of the quarter like this. Now, magically, I am going to flip that quarter over, that way it is heads up. Here we go. Watch, this is cool. Takes about a second. Okay, it's tails up, didn't work, we'll try it again. Hang on. Okay, one more time. You know what? Instead of making the quarter flip over, watch this. I'm going to do something even harder, watch. I actually made the pepper shaker disappear. If you'd like to learn how that is done, make sure your friends aren't around. Follow me, here we go. All right, for this trick, all you need is, it doesn't matter, you can only use just one of them, and a quarter, and a nice napkin. It needs to be fairly large. You'll see why here in a second. Now, I'm showing you from the side here, that way you can actually see what happens. Now, the quarter thing, I'm just trying to throw them off with the heads and tails, but the magic is really, look at this, watch. If I take the pepper shaker, place the napkin over top of it like this, okay? Here's what you're wanting to show everybody. Look at this. You see how it's has the shape of the pepper shaker? You see? Now what you don't see me do is when I come back like this, okay? I'm actually going to, leave it about right there, I'm actually going to drop that pepper shaker out of the napkin like this. But you can see, if you hold it still enough, look, it still looks like it's in there, right? Let me show you again. Place the napkin on top like this. And as I come back, look, I just drop it right out of there like this. Now it's better if you're sitting down because you can drop it into your lap. I actually had some pillows there, that way it didn't make a loud noise like this. You would have heard that. So sit down and just, it'll drop right in your lap. Now you're just, like I said, you're just throwing them off with the quarter thing, okay? Because you don't want to tell them you're going to make this disappear because they're going to be watching you really close. So I go like this. Now I usually drop it on the first time. When I come back, I drop it, okay? There it is, all right? I dropped it. And I come back over, and you see how I'm still holding it? I'm being really careful with it, holding it like this. That way it still has the shape of the pepper shaker. And I come back like this, same spot, all right? You say, let me try it one more time. Uncle Bob. Place it on top again like this, and you say, you know what? I'm not even going to make it harder. I'm going to make that pepper shaker disappear. So I come up like this, and I slam down like this. You want to move this hand away, that way they can see how flat it is. And you fold it up like this. You throw it at Uncle Bob, and you put his quarter right in your pocket. And there you go. Hope you liked the trick. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe and share. And let me know what else you'd like to see. And I can see what I can come up with. All right? Thanks a lot. Have a good day. See you.